Python is a high-level, versatile, and interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python has gained immense popularity over the years due to its ease of learning and a wide range of applications. Here are some key characteristics and features of Python. Readability. Python's syntax is designed to be clear and easy to understand, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced developers. It emphasizes the use of indentation, white space, to define code blocks, which enforces a clean and consistent coding style. Versatility. Python is a multi-purpose language suitable for a variety of applications, including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and more. It offers a vast standard library and numerous third-party packages to facilitate these tasks. Interpreted. Python is an interpreted language, which means that you can run Python code without the need for a separate compilation step. This makes development and debugging faster. Dynamic typing. Python uses dynamic typing, meaning you don't need to declare the data type of a variable explicitly. The interpreter determines the type during runtime, providing flexibility but also requiring careful attention to variable types. High-level language, Python abstracts many low-level programming details, allowing developers to focus on problem-solving rather than dealing with memory management or other system-level concerns. Large and active community. Python has a large and active community of developers, which means there are abundant resources, documentation, and support available. This community-driven aspect also leads to frequent updates and improvements to the language. Cross-platform. Python is available on various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it a cross-platform language suitable for developing applications on different operating systems. Open source. Python is open source, which means its source code is freely available, and anyone can contribute to its development or use it for their projects without licensing fees. Python is often used for web development with frameworks like Django and Flask, data analysis with libraries like pandas and NumPy, machine learning and artificial intelligence with libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow, scripting, automation, and more.